10 out of 10 moving forward. Oh, you gotta
But then if I feed you, how am I gonna eat?
You eat last. You eat last, boo. That's what's up. That.
Hey Rax.
Hey Rax.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe for the vibes. My name is Jay.
And I am Trent. Make sure you like, comment, and share. Whatever you see here, don't have to stay here. It's okay for you to share it. Turn on the notification bell so whenever we post a video of laughter, you will receive it. Also, give this video a thumbs up for me. Yeah.
Okay, so today, guys, we're going to have a Jamaican dinner. Yeah. We're going to say grace, and then we'll tell you what the dinner is. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. Amen.
Amen.
Do you want to tell them?
Yes, alright. So, what honey over here whipped up. It's always honey. Gunga rice and peas. Jamaican style. Cow foot. Curry cow foot. Hold on, I soon show you. We have some Jamaican vegetable right here. And some tomato. Look at it. Oh, yeah. You. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Can't wait to show
mix
it.
Okay. Mix it. I let you do the honors.
Look at her. Waiting for me to take. Guys, listen to me. Y'all don't know what's up. Wait. It's coming.
This is my first time making it.
It's coming.
Do you want me to hold it? Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Guys, look at this.
Ooh.
That's some butter bean in there. So, yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
So, can we set this aside?
Yeah.
Set that over there.
I got it. Oh, still hot.
That's good.
Still hot.
That's good. All right. I'm going to move that on the side.
Yeah, I'm going to put some sauce on my rice first. Okay. Okay. Is this for my first time? Okay, go. I'm going to let you take the first bite.
All right.
I'm nervous.
All right, guys. It's our first time making this. And let's see.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Where are you putting this now?
Okay. So, the cow foot is pretty hard. It takes a long time to boil to get it soft and tender and good. So, for like 2 to 3 hours. It depends on how soft you want it. So, it depends on how you like it. So, boil it, season it, whatever. I put some carrots, some butter bean, and then I made some little dumplings. And I threw them in there.
This is like a Sunday dinner.
There's a hint of spice, but not too much. Oh gosh.
Guys, we're gonna talk in a bit. Every time I sit down to eat, I can't talk to y'all. I have to focus on the food. But the food is so good. That's cabbage. carrot, sweet pepper, cucumber, and secret sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone in trouble, but so good. Okay, how are you guys doing?
We hope you guys are having a wonderful day.
Have you ever had tofu? And if you have,
How was it?
mm-hmm.
If you haven't, you should try it. If you're a bone person, you will absolutely love it. I think my old boss would be absolutely proud of me.
I think so too.
Yeah.
I think so too.
Yeah.
Mm. It is good. I could barely speak.
These are dumplings, though.
Starting to talk way less.
To be honest, guys, that's not purposely done. The food, though. Oh my.
You understand? When you cook and I put it in the fridge, I eat it like the day after or 2 days after.
Oh. It's like
Because it's so
everything's
amazing.
set in all over again.
Mm-hmm.
You remember when you was growing up and in Jamaica they cook on Sundays, right?
Mm-hmm.
What meal would you have the next day, the Monday?
The same meal from Sunday.
What they used to call it?
Leftover?
Sunday, Monday.
Overnight food.
You remember?
Mm. I thought it would have been overnight food.
Sunday, Monday. Because then the food from Sunday tastes way better.
Mm-hmm. You're right. It does.
It tastes better on Monday than it did on Sunday.
Mm-hmm. Rax, this is so sticky.
Finish.
Right? Mm. It's mostly skin and bone. It's the foot of the cow. Mm. Mm-hmm.
You want to dump it? Yeah.
Next video, I'm not gonna eat.
You're gonna do all talking?
Talk. You aren't eat.
You sure?
Talk. Mm-hmm.
Am I cooking for
Kool-Aid
the
in
next
my
video?
red cup. Mm?
Am I cooking for the next video?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Do you wanna bet?
That I'm not gonna talk.
Mm-hmm.
That I'm not gonna eat.
You're not gonna eat.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. What you gonna lose?
Mm-hmm. So a bone. Are you pretty sure you could eat it? No, don't. If you cook it regular way, you can't eat
You want it?
it. Thank you.
I saved you a little bit.
Thank you for your thought.
You're welcome.
Okay. Mm-hmm. I give this meal. Listen. Can I live?
No. Not when you're gonna rate the meal.
I give this meal an 8.
I ate why?
Bring your shoulder up. Don't look so. Bring your shoulder up.
Why?
Why?
I don't understand.
Because you always looking for a 10 out of 10. You don't fight that.
No.
Because the last video I gave you a 10 out of 10. And you ain't perfect, so I gave you 8 out of 10.
Yeah, I'm not saying that I am, but if it deserves a 10 out of 10, I'm just saying if
You
it
acting
does.
like I'm trying to rub
No,
you
I'm
right.
not saying that you are, but I'm saying if it deserves a 10 out of 10, might as well you give it a 10 out of 10.
No, you're not perfect.
I'm not saying that I
You
am.
cannot force me into my
No,
10.
I'm not forcing
You cannot force me into my turn, Jay.
I'm not saying that I'm forcing you into it, right? But listen to what I'm saying, right?
Yeah.
I'm saying, right?
Right.
If you think it deserves a 10 out of 10, why should you rob the food of that mark?
Because it's a lesson in life. Not everything is perfect, not everybody's perfect.
I mean, I get
Right.
the lesson.
She can't even settle for the 8 out of 10. It's just too. She having a whole long conversation with me
I'm
about the
just
fact
saying.
that I didn't give her a 10.
Okay.
What I'm saying to you, Dre, you can't just be cooking all this food here. I'm thinking that every time you cook and you're gonna get 10 out of 10.
No, I'm not saying that I should, because sometimes I'm gonna be off with it. So.
You know why you know why you never get the next 2?
Mhm.
You didn't feed it to me. I had to feed myself.
Yeah, but.
That's the real reason.
Yeah, but. Yeah. So. Say you had gone to a restaurant and I had cooked, right? I was a chef at the restaurant, right?
Yeah.
Would I have to feed you just the same? So say I cook the food for you, serve it to you.
But you're not a chef. You're not a chef. You're my woman.
No,
So this one turn you. If you had feed it to me, you'd have got a 10 out of 10. You did not feed
No,
it to
but
me. I
the
had to use my own hands and feed myself. So, if you want the 10 out of 10 moving forward, all you gotta
But
do,
then if I feed you, how am I gonna eat?
you eat last. You eat last, boo. That's what's up. Guys, this food was an 8 out of 10. No, it's okay. Because Jay knows she ain't perfect.
It is not okay.
Okay, until we meet again, till we see you again, have a good time, have a fine time, have a jolly time, have a fun time,
Smile.
put laughter in your life. It will light it up.
Bye, guys.